If you're having issues with your website, feel free to reach out to me at webtrackofficial@gmail.com. Whether it's troubleshooting, optimizing, or taking your website to a next level, I am here to help you solve any website challenges. Did you know over 20% of legitimate emails never reach the inbox? If your emails keep landing in spam, this video will show you exactly how to fix it, step by step. Why emails go to spam. Spam filters. Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo. Block emails with poor sender reputation, suspicious links, attachments, trigger words, free, urgent. Low engagement. If recipients ignore, mark as spam. Missing authentication. No DKIM, SPF, or DMARC. How to fix it. Use tools like mailtester.com or SenderScore. If score is low, warm up your domain. Send small batches first. Set up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. SPF verifies your server. DKIM encrypts. DMARC tells providers what to do if they fail. No all caps, excessive punctuation, or shady links. Use a clean, professional domain, not Gmail, Yahoo for business. Personalize subject lines. Send at optimal times. For cold email, add a one-click unsubscribe link. For bulk email, use trusted ESPs, MailChimp, SendGrid. For Gmail users, mark important emails as not spam to train filters. Want more tips? Smash that like button, subscribe, and comment. Fix spam below. I'll help you troubleshoot. See you later, alligator.